Alright guys, just to update you to make sure that your FileZilla is set with your new credentials. When you open FileZilla, you can just go click on whatever site it is. I need to rename this. Okay. And once I have named it over here, then you're going to go into your general settings and you make sure your host is waynetworklogin.com. Your port is 2121. Use FTP over TLS if available. The logon type, it needs to be set to normal. Your username is the new username that I just sent you and the new password that I've just sent you, okay? On your transfer setting, on TV, the transfer mode needs to be on default and the limit of connections need to be set to 1. Once we have that, like I said, I always turn mine to different colors so I can make sure that it connects. So we'll do blue today. And then we're just going to say connect. Okay. Once we do that, you're going to see that it's going to retrieve whatever's on the directory. And then this is going to come up. And then you see the sample stuff that we have. So I have some of their files that I've saved and the encoding is still the same. All that good stuff. So I'm not going to go over encoding here, but from there, where I put them videos at. All right, so I have some videos here. Okay, from there, and then I'm just gonna, what the heck? Okay, I don't put somewhere that don't go on my computer. Then we're gonna say process the queue. Okay, and then from there you're going to be able to load your credentials. Once these have loaded, because I'm not going to make you sit through that. I'm just doing these just for an example to show you guys and how you can get everything restarted, etc. But once these is loaded, it's 6:18 now. I'll come back and we'll finish up the thing and whatnot. Okay. Okay, with this one, when you're loading your things to your FTP server, you're going to see your videos that come up there, okay? Remember, for the encoding, if you need to review your training material, you can view that and it shows you how to encode it. And I'm going to do a new one that actually shows you how to encode it using encoders as well, okay? Because there's more efficient ways to do that, but you want to make sure your things are encoded accordingly so you're not running over your bit rates, anything like that. So we have this, of course, just like normal. We're going to go to the TV schedule there and we're going to go to manage default playlist. Once we go to manage our default playlist, we can go ahead, remove the bunny bugs. That's always a sample, so just keep that there. Don't take that out. Okay. And we're just going to that there accordingly, and we're going to say save. Okay, now it's telling us is like your playlist has been recently updated. You must reload your services to this, that, and the third. So we're going to go ahead and click on TV schedule. Okay, and it's telling me that I need to reload the schedule. Okay, so the TV station has reloaded. Back in the day, you used to have to like replay it and restart it. Sometimes I recommend that it's still but they've done a very, very great job of that. And if the old stuff is obviously playing, let's just go ahead and give it a fresh restart. Okay, and that's got to make sure that our services are doing accordingly. That should stop, but if not, just refresh, and it's going to give you the new menu with the new stuff. And there we go, we have everything right there. It's going accordingly. Okay, so our FTP has been successful. Our stream is going, and so on the next video, and basically it's just a refresher that we do have available for you guys. So you're like, oh my god, how do I do this? I forgot. Okay, so as you see, it's going there, and we can, if we want to play the service, we can play it. But everyone's asleep in my house, so I'm not gonna play it. But as you see, there go the previous the stuff like that. Okay.